All right. Well, the dust has settled a little bit from Jerome Powell this afternoon, and the market's enjoying it. We'll take a look at that. But I really want to hone in here and focus in on XRP ETFs in this video for you guys. And not only XRP ETFs, well, that's the focal point, but also some other ETFs. And it's thanks to Trump that this actually became a reality. And we're going to dive into that. We'll come back and take a look at the overall market. But if you guys have heard about this particular company, Canary Capital's ETF plans, well, funny enough, this company wasn't even in existence when the first Bitcoin Ethereum ETFs went through. In fact, this company, the only reason they're here is because of Donald Trump. And we can thank Trump that many companies are going to be created and they're all vying and jockeying for position to get ETFs pushed through. In fact, since Gary Gensler left the SEC, we have had nearly 15 ETFs filed. And that just happened not even more than 10 days ago, which is crazy to think about. But you could see the title here from CoinDesk. Canary Capital's ETF plans took shape thanks to Trump. And Donald Trump is changing the way we are all looking at crypto here in the United States forever. In fact, this to me is the golden era for crypto, the golden era for ETFs, the golden era for mass adoption. And it's all because of Donald Trump and who he's deciding to put in positions of power. And with that comes a pro-crypto Congress and a pro-crypto House of Representatives. And if we dive into this article a little bit, you'll see what I'm talking about. Go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We're here rocking with you guys every single day, bringing you guys all the news and information. We try to keep you up to speed on everything. We bring you guys real content, not just hype stuff, not just everything's going to the moon. Of course, we want our bags to pump, but I want to give you guys the real information. And that's why you come to this channel, okay? So if you're down with that, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now because we're giving it to you every single day. So this company was only founded in October, Canary Capital. They quickly published or pushed out several applications for crypto ETFs, including the likes of Solana, XRP, Litecoin, and HBAR, with the latter two being the first applications of their kind. Litecoin and Hedera, HBAR didn't even have anything like it. But yes, they're pushing out an XRP ETF. They're trying to push through a Solana ETF as well. And their CEO said, we really had no idea that we'd be getting back into the ETF game. His name might sound familiar, Steve McClure. He co-founded and served as chief investment officer at Valkyrie Investments. This is an alternative asset manager, which in March 2024 was acquired by CoinShares. Well, after about 6 months at CoinShares, McClure left the ETF provider to start Canary Capital as a hedge fund, an idea he had been working on during his time at Valkyrie. But then he said essentially what happened was there was an assassination attempt on Trump. The markets rallied around it, politics rallied around it, and we started thinking, well, Trump could actually win. And if he wins, there's going to be changes amongst regulatory agencies here. It's probably likely that other crypto ETFs will get approved. So why don't we go ahead and file some ETFs and see what happens? They were projecting that Gary Gensler would be out. Of course, they didn't know Paul Atkins would be in, but they knew it'd probably be a pro-crypto candidate. And that's exactly what we have here. And since the spot Bitcoin Ethereum ETFs had already been launched and well received by investors, Canary decided to pass on those assets. Instead, they looked further down the list of the top 20 by market cap, specifically those that they believed weren't securities, ultimately deciding to file for XRP, HBAR, and Litecoin. The XRP move was speculation that the crypto would be deemed a non-security in court, which we know it was last year, at least on the retail side. We're still waiting for the full closure of that case, of course. But it's thanks to Trump that this was even possible, guys. And this is what I'm telling you. The golden age of crypto is right before us. None of Canary Capital's applications have been approved yet by the SEC. Of course, we're still ushering in the new SEC and all of those new people. Several Solana ETFs have also been denied, but that was under the previous agency in 2024. Following the Trump inauguration, we had resubmissions for Solana ETFs, and we had new submissions. And they haven't filed their 19B4s four S's for XRP and HBAR ETFs yet. While an S1 is considered a first step to launch an ETF, it's not actionable if it isn't followed by a 19B4, which is required to inform the SEC of a proposed rule change by a self-regulatory entity such as an exchange. McClurg described Cannery's efforts as a call option on Trump winning the presidency. Oddly enough, it worked. And they're in the driver's seat to get some of the first XRP, HBAR, Litecoin, and Solana ETFs out to the public, which pretty cool story. But this is what I'm saying. The bigger story here is Trump is literally changing the game, guys. He is literally forcing the hand of people to get into the ETF game. He's forcing the hand of states right now, jockeying and vying for position for a Bitcoin strategic reserve, maybe even another crypto stockpile with XRP in it. And the market right now is pumping after Jay Powell spoke today. Bitcoin was on the move, guys. We fired all the way up to $104,000+ today. Love to see that. Coming back to where we were about 3 days ago. Everybody was running for the hills when we dipped down below 100K, but here we are right back to where we want to be. XRP just a couple short days ago, guys, dipped down to 266, way down here on the charts. 266 it dipped down to. People were freaking out, going crazy. We've come all the way back up, well over $3 right now. And if you zoom out here on the 1 month, we're still up 49%. And here on the year, guys, 479% for XRP. This chart still looks phenomenal. We're still sitting perfectly in the driver's seat, getting ready for, I think, the next big liftoff. When that happens, we're going to get a momentum up signal on our indicator. If you guys are not hip to our trading indicator, over at XT Algo, I built this back in 2023. Phenomenal resource if you're serious about crypto trading. You guys want to take full advantage. You want to maximize your gains. You want to make more money in crypto. These are the tools you need to have. Now, what's awesome about my company is it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's the cheapest indicator on the market because this is catered toward retail investors. I know where I was when I started. I didn't have a chance in hell to beat the best people in the market. Well, here I've created something where you set up your own alerts. I walk you through how to do it. And this gives you simple visual indicators on when to get in and when to get potentially out of your trade. The last time our momentum up flashed on the daily, guys, on XRP, look at this. It was back here at 55 freaking cents. That's a 463% gain. The last 82 days, if you would have just followed this momentum up and bought on this signal, you would have been alerted. You're up 462% on your XRP. And that happened back on Thursday, November 7th. XRP was 55 cents. Now we're at $3.10. That is more than a 6x from the local bottoms. Guys, if you're serious about crypto, come on over and check out XT Algo. Get yourself started today. These prices you see, they're slashed. Okay, instead of 47, it's 37 a month, a little over $1 a day. We throw money at coffee every single day. This is going to help your future. And if for whatever reason you want your money back in 30 days, no problem. No questions asked. I got a full team working 24/7. They'll hook you back up. But I'm confident you're going to love it. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Trump is changing the freaking game when it comes to XRP, when it comes to ETFs, when it comes to adoption. And we are right at the forefront of the next big evolution and what I think is going to be the golden years of crypto. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.